Hey guys, welcome back to Cruiser Man's Inventions. We got the washing machine bike, we got the alternator bikes as well. And so I just wanted to get a little shot of this first. Thought it was pretty cool. It's pretty awesome, eh guys? And yeah, let's get into it. This is the washing machine bike. It's a lowrider. It's got a motorbike back wheel with a motorbike back swing arm, which is solid, hardtail, and then right there is the motor. So yeah, right there is the motor, and it's 36 pole. And then we got the alternator bike, guys. 72 volts with 24 volts going to the center mag on a separate controller, which I can vary on a potentiometer here for field weakening or field strengthening. And then over here is the off and on switch to that controller, which runs off two batteries, 24 volts to the center mag of that alternator. That creates the magnetic field, guys. Let's have a look at this voltage. Yeah, we're running 76 point something on here. Let's turn this on. Let's get some field up. Let's get some oh yeah, she's alive. Woo! She's a live wire. Smoking. Alright, let's turn that off. Let's have a look at the other one, the carcass. This motor, by the way, here is a 110 amp 12 volt alternator without the bridge rectifier in it. Now this is a 55 amp one. Let's turn some stuff on. Alright, gear 3. Let's hit it. Oh yeah. Wow. It's a lot of smoke, guys, from the carcass alternator bike, which topped out at 63 Ks because of the new controller. 3000 watts, 72 volts. Woo-hoo-hoo. Man, game changer. But yeah, guys, yeah. So we got a bit of time left, right? Let's put you up here for a minute. Pretty cool. Now let's talk a little bit about the rotor and this washing machine bike, guys. We got a whole shaft here which came out of the washing machine. We got the original bearings bearings here which came out of the washing machine. I made a housing here, shaved it all down to fit in it, locked it in. Let's talk about the wiring. This one here is 12 poles, and then the 3 wires at the end are tied off, and 3 12s are 36. Let's talk about this one. 24 volts. So let's find the start. Starts here. This looks all confusing, right, guys? But let's just have a look at one set of poles. One pole's positive. Wrap that around 25 times with 1.6mm wire. Does a jump past 2, past the negative, past the earth, back to positive. Right there. Wrap it around 25 times again. Boom. It comes off. And then you do the same for that one. Does over here, misses 2, wrap it around 25 times. The wire at the end comes off here. And the same for the earth. Jumps 2, 25 times over here, boom. And then they get soldered together. This is less. This is 24 volts. This is 2 lots of 3. And then tied off at the end. So if you want to double that, which would be 3, 12, 6, 9, and then 12, and then tied off at the end, and do that 3 times on the 36 pole stator, and then that there will be 48 volts, guys. 12 poles. So cool, guys. Awesome stuff. I shall see you in the next vid up and coming, which will be this creation here out of bits and parts that I've got. I shrunk up the whole trailer, and yeah, it's gonna hold up to about 14 to 16 batteries, guys. So yeah, little 12 volt batteries, 9 amp hour ones. So it's gonna be 72 volts times 2 plus 2 mag batteries. So yeah, this is the back end, and this is maybe the front end. So yeah, cool, guys. Cruiser man out. See you in the next vid. Big shout out to my boys, my Treyer and James MCN McNabb. You can look them up. Awesome, guys. Oh, and Kappa Milo. Cool, guys. Cruiser man out.